Module 4, Painting Techniques, Walls, Ceilings and Surfaces. Module Overview. Module 4 is a hands-on, comprehensive exploration of painting techniques, focusing on walls, ceilings, and various interior surfaces. This module is critical because the quality, durability, and aesthetics of interior painting depend heavily on the techniques used. You will gain both theoretical knowledge and practical skills required to prepare surfaces, apply different types of paints, achieve smooth finishes, and create specialty effects. The module emphasizes surface preparation, selection of brushes, rollers, and sprayers, proper layering, texture application, and achieving professional results. By mastering these techniques, you will be able to transform ordinary spaces into visually striking interiors, balancing both functionality and aesthetics. 1. Surface preparation, cleaning and repair. Remove dirt, grease, and old paint residues. Fill cracks, holes, and imperfections with putty or filler. Sand surfaces for smoothness and better paint adhesion. Priming. Purpose: to create a uniform surface, enhance adhesion, and improve colour vibrancy. Types of primers for drywall, wood, plaster, and metal surfaces. Masking and protection. Use of tape, drop cloths, and plastic sheets to protect floors, furniture, and fixtures. 2 painting tools and their uses: brushes, flat brushes for large areas, angled brushes for edges and corners, round brushes for detailed work, rollers, nap lengths for smooth, semi-rough and textured surfaces, sprayers, airless and HVLP sprayers for high-quality uniform finishes, spatulas and putty knives for filling cracks, smoothing surfaces and applying textures. 3 painting techniques. Flat finish. Painting smooth, matte finish for walls and ceilings with minimal sheen. Eggshell and satin finishes. Subtle sheen for living spaces and areas requiring moderate washability. Gloss and semi-gloss finishes. High sheen for kitchens, bathrooms, trims, and furniture. Cutting-in technique. Painting edges, corners, and areas near trim, or ceilings with precision brushes. Rolling technique. Efficient coverage of large wall and ceiling surfaces with consistent texture. Spraying technique. Fast and professional application for even coverage on walls, ceilings, and furniture. 4 specialty and decorative techniques. Textured finishes, using rollers, brushes, or trowels to create patterns or tactile surfaces. Sponging and rag rolling, adding depth, subtle textures, or faux effects. Stenciling, creating decorative motifs and repeated patterns on walls and furniture. Murals and artwork, large-scale decorative painting for focal walls or ceilings. Faux finishes, imitating materials such as wood, marble, or stone for luxurious effects. 5 safety and maintenance protective equipment. Gloves, masks, respirators, goggles, and aprons. Ventilation, ensuring proper airflow to reduce exposure to fumes. Tool maintenance, cleaning brushes, rollers, and sprayers immediately after use. Paint storage, storing paints properly to prevent drying, contamination, or chemical hazards. 6. Troubleshooting common problems. Brush marks or roller lines, proper technique and tool selection, uneven colour or coverage, adequate priming, multiple coats and proper paint mixing, bubbling or peeling, surface moisture issues or improper surface preparation, streaks or runs, correct thinning of paint and proper application angles. 4.7 Skills developed ability to prepare and paint different surfaces professionally. Mastery of brush, roller, and spray techniques. Expertise in decorative and specialty finishes. Competence in troubleshooting painting problems and achieving flawless results. understanding of safety practices and maintenance procedures. Practical exercises. Prepare a wall surface by cleaning, sanding, and priming for painting. Apply a flat finish on a wall using a roller for uniform coverage. Practice cutting in along edges and corners with an angled brush. Create a textured wall effect using sponging or rag rolling techniques. Identify and correct painting defects such as streaks, bubbles, or uneven coverage.